What's up guys, it's Flash. Robinhood is going international, so stay tuned. What's up guys, I had to interrupt the video and I do apologise. I just wanted to let you guys in on a little secret. The Flash Forward day trading course is out now. If you're interested to learn how to trade stocks the correct way, check the link out below guys. God bless. If you haven't already know guys, Robinhood is going international. No, not that Robinhood. This Robinhood. They are going international, which means that anybody in the UK or outside of in Europe, Ireland, will be able to use Robinhood. This is a huge big deal for anybody based outside the United States. This was a big issue in the past that a lot of brokerages that people in the US use, especially like when you buy courses and stuff, they use Robinhood. It looks like a great system. I've never used it. They're going international, which means that anybody outside North America now can use Robinhood as their full-time broker. They will accept your money and that you'll be allowed to trade off their systems anywhere in the world. Now, this is going live the first quarter of 2020, which is absolutely huge. We do know Robinhood is absolutely free. There's no monthly charges or anything with Robinhood. I don't know if they're going to be doing commission-free trades for international, but there's no monthly charges whatsoever. The software is very easy to use, great charts, and just really looks class and professional. Now again, I haven't used it. I've only seen other traders use it. It really does look the dog's. One issue that if you do trade cryptocurrencies, I don't think there's many people trading cryptocurrencies anymore, but it's important I talk about it. If you do trade cryptocurrencies, Robinhood will not offer cryptocurrencies straight away. It is something they're talking about releasing down the line, but it's not something that in the first quarter of next year you'll be able to trade cryptocurrencies. But do you really care? Because you have potentially free trading with Robinhood, an amazing system. So I'm really excited for this. I'm definitely going to be giving it a go. I don't know if I'm going to use it as my main brokerage just yet. We'll have to see how I get on. If I do love it, I'll definitely make the switch over and have that as my main account 100%. I think personally this is a big deal for any trader around the world, because a lot of the issues were people who getting into trading, especially when I was getting trading, were like using brokers like Plus 500, eBull, all these other ones, and they're just kind of tacky and crap, to be honest with you. Then there was a lot of people that wouldn't feel comfortable about paying $50 a month for SureTrader or like Trade Zero. I need the other brokerages to have a flat fee. So I think that this can be really good for international traders. It takes a lot of the hassle out and the confusion of shit, what kind of brokerages can we use? Robinhood, we do know, is the biggest one in the States right now, so for them going international, it's going to be absolutely huge for the business. It's going to make it a lot easier for people to get into trading and to make it more accessible, because that's the main issue and your first concern is, what the hell do I do with a brokerage? Where do I go? How do I get them? And it's a hell of a lot of confusion. I made multiple videos on this, so I am really excited that Robinhood is releasing this video. That's really it. I wanted to make you guys fully aware of it. I'm pumped for the change. I'm definitely going to be kind of hopping on that in the first quarter of 2020. I will keep you posted on how it's going. I will be making more videos on this when I do make the switch to Robinhood. If I like it, I'll be making videos. If I don't like it, I'll still be making videos. But if I don't like it, I'm obviously not going to be using it as my main brokerage. But what the hell, let's just wait for 2020. Guys, I want to thank you so much for your support. Hit the like and subscribe. Once again, if you guys need my help, put it down below. I'm more than happy to help. Good night and God bless. Making $100,000. Characters I met along the way that stepped in and are a big part of my story. There, so stay tuned.